Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of computer. So let's start our chapter number 4, that is more on Windows 10. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives. That is features of Windows 10, desktop taskbar and icons, no live tiles, universal app of Windows 10, customizing the desktop, how to display multiple windows at a time, and no exploring pictures. So students, now we have a warm-up question, that is fill in the blanks. So students, you have to fill the blanks with the suitable words. So students, first we have Windows 10 is A or N dash software. Second, we have the advanced version of Windows operating system is dash. Now, third, dash appears at the bottom of the desktop, that is title bar or task bar. You have to pick the right word and fill in the blanks. Now, fourth one is dash click opens the selected icon, single or double. Now, fifth we have topmost bar of the Windows is called dash, that is title bar or task bar. So choose the right word and fill in the given blank. Now students, let's start our chapter. So Windows 10 is a series of personal computer operating system produced by Microsoft, a part of its Windows NT family of operating system. It is the successor to Windows 8.1 and was released manufacturing on July 15, 2015. Windows is the most popular operating system as an interface between the computer hardware and user. It manages the resources of a computer system and perform many other tasks. Till now, Windows has many versions with more developed features. The first version of Windows was developed in 1995 and known as Windows 9.5. The further version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So now students, let's start our first topic, that is features of Windows 10. We are going to learn about the features of Windows 10. Windows 10 consists of many new features that makes your work easier and faster. Due to these features, it's becoming popular day by day. Now students, let's learn about some other new features of Windows 10. So, first one is Start Menu Return. Second is Cortana on desktop. Third one is it provides Xbox app. And fourth, Project Spartan browser. Fifth is improved multitasking. And sixth one is it provides software called Universal Apps which use the same code but adapt their interface to the device in your hand. Seventh, Office apps get touch support. Eighth, Continuum user can switch modes for more convenient interactions like plugged in a keyboard or mouse and laptop tablet device. Ninth, Action Center. Windows 10 provides a new way to look at your notification in one place. Third one is Unified Setting or Control Panel. Instead of having two apps to control your device setting in Control Panel and PC setting, Microsoft is making things less confusing by bringing them together in one. Now students, our next topic is using desktop. How will you use your desktop? We are going to learn in this topic. When you switch on the computer, the first screen which appear on desktop, the desktop consists of many icons, gadgets and shortcut keys, the desktop has 4 main parts. They are desktop background, icon, taskbar and gadgets. Here you can also find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons and etc. So now students, let's learn about these icons in detail. So first we have taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It consists the start button on the extreme left side. After the start button is the search box. The search box on your taskbar makes it easier for you to search the web and Windows. It also allows you to able to turn on or off to have Cortana, give you suggestions, ideas, reminders and more. The middle area of the taskbar contains the open and frequently used apps. You can pin the desired apps to the taskbar by dragging the app shortcuts from the desktop or start menu. If an application is opened, you will see a bar below its icon. Taskbar contains the notification area on the right side, which has a clock and a group of icons. These icons display the status and notification about the program running on a computer. For example, network connectivity, battery status, volume, OneDrive and etc. You can click the notification button to display the vertical bar of Action Center on the right side of the desktop. So students, here you can see the interface of the taskbar of Windows 10. Now students, our next topic is icons. Let's learn about icons. Icons are small pictures that are used to open files, folders and apps. These are graphical user interface. You can create icon of any program on your desktop. Some of the commonly used icons are discussed below. So students, first we have this PC. Let's learn about what is the use of this PC in computer. It gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive. Now next we have application icon. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Now next we have shortcut icons. Shortcut icons contain a direct link to a specific application, document or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Now next we have document icon. The document contains all type of document stored in your computer. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon, which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon again. Now students, our next icon is network. It enables you to access the shared files or device on different computers in a network environment. Now next we have recycle bin. The files, folders you deleted get stored in a recycle bin. These deleted files or folders can either be restored to the original location or permanently deleted from the system. Now students, our next topic is start menu. Let's learn about what is the use of a start menu in the Windows 10. So, Windows 10 start menu is a table of content to all the apps. Windows 10 में सारे apps की एक table हमें देखने को मिल सकती है. Folders and contacts you see often in desktop mode. All the apps icon appear in an alphabetical list on the left side of the screen, and they can be made to appear on the right side as files. So students, Here you can see the interface of the start button. Now students, it's time to know an interesting fact. The processor used in your CP is Intel. It stands for Integrated Electronic. It was founded by Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce in 1968. Now students, let's jump to our next topic, that is live tiles. Live tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails and etc. Without opening the app, you can resize, rearrange and move these tiles according to your requirement. So students, let's learn about adding app to the start menu. How will you add any app in the start menu? So first we have click start button, then all apps, then now right click the app that is to be added to the start menu, then select pin to start option, then the selected app will add it to the right pane in the form of a tile. So students, here you can see the interface of live tiles. Now our next topic is resizing tiles. How will you resize a tile? We are going to learn about in this topic. So it is very easy to resize the tile in Windows 10. Tiles are generally present in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide and large. To resize a tile, follow the steps given below. So first we have right click on the tile and select the resize option. Then select the size you want. Now next we are going to learn about moving and grouping. How will you move or group any icon? Let's learn about it. You can move a tile anywhere in the start menu just by dragging it to the required position. Tiles can also be combined to form a group. Follow the given step to create a group of tiles. So first you have to do is drag a tile to the bottom of the right pane in the start menu. A transparent horizontal bar will display with the heading name group on the left side and 2 small horizontal lines on the right. Now click on name group and type a name. Now you can add the relevant tile in this group. Next we have to move a whole group of tiles, drag the 2 small lines to the needed position. Now students, before we start our next topic, let's know an interesting fact. That is the power button. The start menu enables you to put your computer to sleep, shut down, restart as required. Now students, it's time to read our next topic, that is disabling live tiles. How will you disable any live tiles? Let's learn about it. Windows 10 enables you to turn off live tiles so that it stops giving live updates and changes into a static icon. For this, follow the steps given below. So first step is click the start button. Now right click on a tile, then select the more option and choose turn live tile off option from the sub menu to disable live tiles. Now students, let's jump to our next topic, that is universal apps of Windows 10. What are the universal apps of Windows 10? We are going to learn about it in this topic. Universal Windows Platform, that is UWP, is an AP created by Microsoft and first introduced in Windows 10. The purpose of this platform is to help develop universal apps that run on Windows 10. Windows 10 Mobile, Xbox One and halogens without the need to be rewritten for each. Now students, we are going to learn about calendar. This app is present at the bottom right corner of the desktop. By clicking on it, you can see current date, month and year. You can also see previous and next day, date, month and year. So students, here you can see the interface of calendar. Now next we have weather. So what is the use of weather in Windows? Let's learn about it. This app updates you with reliable weather forecast, condition, real-time rain alerts and the minimum and maximum temperature of your favorite location. So students, here you can see the interface of weather. Now next we have mail. So this app enables you to manage all your mail accounts at one place. It provides notification for incoming mails, allows you to read a mail and revert back to a sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your accounts. So students, here you can see the interface of an mail. Now let's jump to our next topic, that is customizing the desktop. How will you customize your desktop in Windows 10? We are going to learn about it in this. Windows 10 makes it easy to customize the look and feel of your desktop. To access the personalization setting, right click anywhere on the desktop. Select personalize from the drop down menu. The personalization setting will appear. So to do that, you have to follow these steps, and they are: first is right click on the blank area of desktop and select the personalize option. The personalization window will appear. Click the colors option from the left pane. From the choose your accent color, select from choose your accent color section. Select any color to change the color scheme of start menu and other windows. Now a preview of the selected color scheme will appear in the preview section. Then turn on the automatically pick an accent color from my background option if you want the accent color to match your desktop wallpaper. Now to apply the same colors to these components of the desktop, turn on the show color on start, taskbar, action center and title bar option. Then to apply transparent effect, turn on the make start, taskbar and action center transparent option. Then the color scheme will be applied to your desktop. So students, let's jump to our next topic, that is displaying multiple windows at a time. How will you use multiple windows at a time on Windows 10? We are going to learn about it in this topic. So in Windows 10, we can display multiple application windows side by side. Let us discuss how to do it. So first of all, open Word 2016 and Excel 2016. Then now right click anywhere on the blank area of the taskbar. From the shortcut menu, click on the show window sides by side option. Both the application window will be displayed side by side. So this is how you use multiple windows at a time. Now our next topic is exploring pictures. How will you explore more pictures in Windows 10? We are going to learn about it in this topic. So we can save images, digital photos and graphic files in pictures folder. To do that, you have to follow these steps. To open this folder, click on the start button and then click on the arrow next to the file explorer option. Then from the right pane, select the pictures option. The picture folder will open. Then by default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails along with the camera roll and saved pictures folder. Then it also enables you to view the pictures icon in various sizes. Select the view tab and click the desired option from the layout group to define the thumbnail size of the picture. Now next, select any picture and double click on it. The picture will be opened in the Photos app. Then Many buttons are present at the top right corner of the windows, which helps in editing and managing the pictures. So students, here you can see the interface of how will you explore pictures in Windows 10. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. So first we have, window manages the resources of computer system and perform many other tasks. तो एक विंडो एक टाइम पे बहुत सारे टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकता है और उनको मैनेज कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, Cortana help you to search anything on your system और वेब डायरेक्टली. जो Cortana फीचर है वो किसी भी चीज को सर्च करने के लिए या ब्राउज करने के लिए हमें डायरेक्टली हेल्प कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, icon are small picture that are used to open files, folder and programs. आइकन हमें किसी भी फाइल, फोल्डर या प्रोग्राम को डायरेक्टली ओपन करने के लिए हेल्प करती है. द वेदर ऐप updates you with the reliable weather forecast, real-time rain alerts and the minimum and maximum temperature of your favorite location. जो वेदर ऐप प्रोग्राम है वो हमें किसी भी टाइम, किसी भी वेदर या हमारी फेवरेट जगह पे क्या वेदर है उसके बारे में अपडेट करने में हमारी हेल्प करती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव, in Windows 10 we can display multiple application windows side by side. Windows 10 में हम बहुत सारी विंडोज को साइड बाय साइड यूज कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज इट फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.